Yo, good morning everyone, welcome to new video, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna explain to you how to translate and legalize foreign documents for use in Thailand. I need some documents translated and legalized, so I find Thai Visa Express. Why did I choose these people? Because the fixed price was 500 Thai baht for each page. They just called me to tell me that the translation is ready, so I'm gonna head in, pick up the translation and go and legalize it. Stay with me. Okay guys, so I picked up my translation. I had 3 documents. That was 1,500 baht, ready in 2 days. Thai Visa Express. I don't recommend, I don't know how the translation is. I will see it at the legalization point, so let's head there. But as now the price was fixed, the price was good. The representative of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs here in Pattaya is in Central Festival, so I have heard you can walk in. I have made an appointment for the 19th, but I rather have it now, so let's head to Central Festival and legalize this. Okay guys, we are at Central Festival. I park my motorbike mostly here because I don't like the parking space in Central Festival. Too much hassle to get in and get out. So yeah, like I told you, you guys don't have to go to Bangkok to legalize your papers after translating it. But let's see, I want to be sure. I am sure that with appointment it's gonna work. But today we are doing the walk-in, so let's walk in and see. As you see, Central Festival is not open yet, so let's go and see. It's on the 4th floor. Central is open. Okay guys, see you at the legalization point. So it's on the 4th floor. You see the logo of the MFA up there. It's the place where the Thai renew their visa. Okay, so I'm here guys. I'm curious or I'm on the right time. It's around 11 now, maybe they are with lunch. I hope not. And something else I have heard, I have to see if it's true or not, that they have only 10 walk-ins a day. Okay guys, we are here. Let's go and see, or we can get shit legalized. Okay, I'm here. Empty guys, number 9 and I'm number 10. Let's see. Okay guys, we are done. It took around 10 minutes to submit my documents. Don't forget these things. Always bring the original of the documents with you, so no copies. They need the original. Second thing, they don't have an express service here. You can walk in, it's easy, it's not busy. You don't need online appointment as I see here. But they don't have an express service here. They sent all the documents to Bangkok for the actual stamp, so you need to wait at least 2 days. So that's that guys. It cost me 1,500 and 1,200 total 2,700 Thai baht to get my papers legalized. So that's how you do it in Pattaya. You don't have to go to Bangkok, you just do it in Pattaya. Just have to wait for 2 days. I hope this video was helpful to anyone that wants to translate and legalize their papers. You can do it here, Central Festival Pattaya, 4th floor. Okay guys, if you enjoyed the video, click like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Mike out.